Does Microsoft charge a fee when recovering an Xbox Live Account Gamertag?
Hey there, gamers! In today's video, we're diving deep into the question, does Microsoft charge a fee when recovering an Xbox Live Account Gamertag? Stick around to get all the information you need.
What is Xbox Live Account Gamertag?
The Xbox Live Account Gamertag is your unique identifier on Xbox Live. Think of it as your online gaming alias or name. It's how players from all over the world recognize you in online multiplayer games and leaderboards.
Why would you need to recover it?
There are several reasons why you might need to recover your gamertag. You bought a new Xbox and want to use your existing gamertag. You accidentally deleted or changed your gamertag. Your account was compromised. Regardless of the reason, it's essential to know the recovery process and any associated fees.
Does Microsoft charge a fee?
The big question. Drumroll, please know, Microsoft does not charge a fee when you recover your Xbox Live Account Gamertag. The process is designed to be user-friendly and doesn't incur any additional costs. However, be wary of any third-party sites or services claiming to recover your gamertag for a fee. They may not be legitimate. Alright, folks. So there you have it. Recovering your Xbox Live Account Gamertag is a free process when done through the official channels. Always remember to keep your account details safe and be cautious of suspicious third-party offers. Happy gaming, and hope this information was helpful.